In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut and trim audio in Audacity. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can remove unwanted parts of your recording with confidence and keep everything sounding natural. Start by opening your track in the Audacity app. When the track is open, you'll see its waveform across the timeline. That visual shape represents your audio. Louder sounds look taller, quiet moments look smaller. Take a moment to scan the track so you have a sense of where sections begin and end. If you need extra precision, adjust your view so you can clearly see the exact spot you want to change. Next, place the cursor where you want to cut. Just click directly on the waveform at the precise time you want the change to happen. If you're removing a quick click, breath, or noise, place the cursor right before it. If you want to take out a longer section, click to set your starting point, then drag to highlight the portion you don't want. The highlighted area is what Audacity will remove. It often helps to listen and watch the waveform so the cursor lands at a natural pause. Nudging it a tiny bit left or right can avoid clicks that sometimes happen if a cut lands in the middle of a peak. With the cursor in place, or the section highlighted, go to the top toolbar and click Edit. This opens the editing commands for your project. From there, click Cut. Cut removes the selected audio and closes the gap so the remaining parts join seamlessly. The removed audio is also placed on your clipboard, which means you could paste it somewhere else later if you change your mind. And if you remove more than you intended, you can easily reverse it and try again, so don't worry about being cautious on your first pass. To finish cleaning up your recording, do this again on the next part. Work through your track in small, careful passes, repeating the same process. Place the cursor at the next spot you want to change. Use a highlight if you're trimming a span, click Edit, then click Cut. Whether you're cleaning up long pauses, cutting a mistake, or trimming an intro or outro, the same approach applies. Taking your time to make precise cuts will keep speech sounding natural and music transitions smooth. If a cut sounds abrupt, adjust the cursor slightly and repeat the same action until it feels right. That's all there is to it. Open your track, place your cursor, choose Edit, choose Cut, and repeat wherever needed. With a few steady passes, you'll have a clean, trimmed version of your audio ready for whatever